Hello class 8C. In last class we have started the chapter atomic of the fourth chapter, that is atomic structure, and uh, we have discussed okay, yeah, in last class we did Dalton's atomic theory, and we have seen the main postulates of Dalton's atomic theory. Now today we are going to see uh, about an atom. Okay, about an atom. So an atom, last time I've given you the idea about an atom, how we can define an atom. An atom is considered as the smallest particle of an element which may or may not exist on its own. Okay, so this is the definition of atom. And an atom is further divisible into three subatomic particles: protons, neutrons, and electrons. Now, say for example, if this is a simple structure of an atom, that means this one. So at the center of an atom, we have got the part known as nucleus. So the at the center of an atom, we have got the part that is called as nucleus, and in nucleus we have got protons and neutrons. So this red and this black, the red one is proton and the black one is neutron. So they are present inside the nucleus. So that means the mass of the atom is concentrated in the nucleus, whereas outside the nucleus we have got an extra nuclear part, we called, in which electrons revolve in their orbits. Okay, electron revolves in their orbit. That means this circular orbits, where we can see that a blue circle, a small circle, that is an electron. So generally an atom consists of two parts. One is nuclear part, in which you have got protons and neutrons, and in the outside of the nucleus, that we call it as extra nuclear part, or we also call as electron clouds, in which we have got electrons revolving around the nucleus. Okay, now the protons have got positively charged particle with unit mass. Protons are positively charged, whereas neutrons does not have any charge. That means it's neutral, does not have neither positive nor negative. Whereas electrons are negatively charged with negligible mass. So orbit or cell means the electrons revolve around the nucleus in imaginary paths that we call as orbits or cells. So actually, the recent studies of atoms shows that at the center we have got the nucleus, in which we have got protons and neutrons, and outside the nucleus we have got the different orbits in which the electrons revolve. Actually, previously we call it as orbits or cells. Nowadays it is studied as this will be like a cloud. The electrons, where it moves, will be like a cloud. So nucleus is the center, in which made up of protons and neutrons, and these two particles, okay, these two particles, protons and neutrons, are collectively known as nucleons as well. They are called as nucleons. Next, discover of subatomic particle. That means we need to know who are the persons behind the discovery of these subatomic particles. So electron was discovered by J.J. Thomson, proton was discovered by Eugen Goldstein, and neutron is discovered by James Chadwick through different experiments and observations. Next, we have got subatomic particles. As we know, electron, proton, and neutron. Now we'll see how they can be represented. So the symbol of electron is written as E minus, proton is P positive, and neutron is N naught, 0. Where they are present, location: electrons are present in electron cloud or orbits or cells, we call. Proton is present in the nucleus, and neutron is present in also in the nucleus. The charge they have: electron is negatively charged, proton is positively charged, and neutron is neutral. That means it does not have any charge. The relative mass, it is 1 by 1840, approximately 0. The electron's charge is very small, whereas proton is 1 charge and neutron is also 1 charge. Next, the mass of electron is 9.11 into 10 to the power minus 28, and proton has got charge as 1.67 in 10th power minus 24, and neutron has charge of 1.67 in 10th power minus 24. So this is the relative comparison of the subatomic particles along with their symbol, location, charge, relative mass, and actual mass. Now today's assignment number 13. Question number 1, define an atom. Question number 2, what are the subatomic particles present in an atom? And question number 3, complete the following table. So you need to complete it. So I have given the 3 particles. You need to write down its whatever is asked. Say for example, location, where it is present, charge, what kind of charge it will have, symbol, how it is represented, and mass. So in this you write down the actual mass. Okay, actual mass of the subatomic particles. So complete this assignment and send it in my mail.